Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and you keep getting this error, lobby not found with the error 2032, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Call of Duty Black Ops 7 easily. So this problem is a pretty weird one, it has multiple fixes, so I'll show you 2 to 3 solutions of how you can fix it. The first one is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here prefetch. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click continue, and then you're going to delete everything that is in this folder. Don't worry, these are all temporary files, they are not needed or required from your computer. Press Ctrl A on your keyboard, right click on the files, click delete, and then wait for them to be deleted. The ones you can't delete, just click skip on them. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again, and you're going to write date and time here, and you're going to make sure that your date and time is synced with the internet, because if your time zone or your date and time are not synced, then your computer has trouble connecting to the internet and hence you can't play Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So just set your time zone, click set time automatically, and then click sync now, wait for it to sync. And now if you have the game on, let's say, Steam, what you're going to do is you're going to verify your game's files. If you have the game on Battle.net, what you're going to do is you're going to verify your game's files on Battle.net. But if you have the game on Game Pass or any consoles, what you're going to do is you're just going to log out and then restart your console or your Game Pass. After that, you're going to log in back, and once you do that, now when you try to play Call of Duty, you'll see that your game will now work correctly. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.